We are at La Caserne Chanzy Hotel and I'm very excited to meet the Marriott Bonvoy members. Today we are going to take them through a very unique champagne experience at Maison Mumm with visit of the cellars, tasting and a gastronomic lunch at La Table des Chefs created by a one-star Michelin chef.
I got announced this week that I'm a lifetime platinum member now, so super excited to be here today.
I won this moment and I'm very excited that it happened.
To be treated here at Maison Mumm and be able to have 6-course lunch from a Michelin-starred chef, this is a once-in-a-lifetime experience. So incredible to have the opportunity to try this today and really experience all that Chateau Mumm had to offer, and the hospitality at Marriott has been fantastic.
The tasting experience was very interesting. Tasting 2 champagnes in 2 different ways and never realizing how one champagne can be so different depending on how it's presented and tasted. It was quite amazing.
I think for me it was the cellars, the fact that for almost 200 years these tunnels are carved in the rock and all the champagne is kept there. This is where all the magic happens and you are able to touch a portion of it and learn about it. So it was really amazing to participate in something so special.
I was actually amazed by how knowledgeable the people are. We've been to different wine tours before, to even chef tables before, but this was absolutely outstanding by the level of hospitality, by the level of kindness. It was just a very friendly experience, and this place is full of history and beauty.
Thank you, Marriott Bonvoy. Fantastic experience, and would recommend to anybody. So great job.
Thank you so much, Marriott Bonvoy.